Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Stop scrolling. Today I'm showing you the easiest, most accessible way to create hyper-realistic talking AI videos, complete with perfect lip sync, using Google's cutting-edge model, VEO3. The best part? You can try this entire process completely free for 1 month using a simple trick I'll show you. Let's dive in. First, head over to gemini.google.com. This is the dashboard where we'll unlock VEO3's power. Once you're signed in, click on your account profile in the top corner. You'll see the option to upgrade to Google AI Plus. Click that. We need the Google AI Pro feature to access VEO3. Crucially, when you link your card, you get the first month free. Just remember to cancel before the 30 days are up, and you won't be charged a thing. This gives you all the power for free. Once that's done, you're back on the dashboard, and you should see the Pro badge next to your profile. You are now ready to generate. Now for the fun part. In the chat menu area, navigate to the icon that indicates Settings. It might look like a square with a triangle or similar creative tool icon. Click it and select Create Video. This is where we bring the talking character to life. The prompt must be crystal clear and specific. You must explicitly tell VEO3 which character is speaking and what they say. Here's an example prompt that works. A video of 2 white kittens both wearing their blue school uniforms standing in front of the school gate. One of the white kitten faces the other and asks, with a small, nervous meow, "Bro, how are we gonna make it?" Notice how I described the scene, the action, and included the line of dialogue in quotes. That's the key to triggering the lip sync feature. Once your prompt is clear and ready, hit Generate. Now we wait. VEO3 is doing a lot of heavy lifting, creating the visuals, generating the speech, and syncing the lips. So give it about 1 to 5 minutes. And there it is, a talking AI video generated with VEO3, complete with dynamic characters and synchronized audio. The quality is incredible. Don't forget to use the download button to save the MP4 file so you can use it in your other projects. If you want to create longer, consistent videos, just repeat this process, but ensure your character description in the prompt stays exactly the same for each clip. Then, stitch the clips together in a simple video editor like CapCut. And that's how you generate a talking AI video with VEO3 through the Google Gemini platform. If this helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more AI tutorials. Let me know what you create in the comments below. See you in the next video.
Bro, how are we gonna make it?